Hello everyone, welcome back to 200 Days, our Python series. Today we are going to learn about left shift and right shift. So now we will start here. Okay, so now let's understand the left shift operator. The symbol for the left shift operator is this, and this operator move to all the bits of a binary number to the left side whenever we shift a bit to the left a zero, basically zero. Zero is added to the on the right side. This operator usually double the value for each left shift as long as there is no overflow. So we are using here one example. A is equal to 5 and print A. Yeah. So the output is 10. How it's come 10? Now we will check here. Going to check like this. Just a second. Okay. Now basically, Python first convert the decimal number into binary. So we are converting 5. 5 is what is the binary of 5? 0 0 0 0. Okay. 4 0 and 0101. Okay, 1 and 2 and 1 and 4 plus equal to 5. So now we will shift it. So shift left by one position before shifted. So basically, symbol, yeah, we are using here. Okay, for here we are using, for here we are add 10, then we are adding here like this one is here, then also go to 0, then also go to 1, then also go to 0, and like we are using here 0 0. Okay, yeah, so the output is basically 10, like 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. So the leftmost bit move of the one position to the left. So a new zero is added on the right, and then the value is come here. So 0 0 0 0 and 1 0 1 0. So the result will be 10, and now the output will be here. The result becomes 10. Okay. Also, we are using some easy tricks, like we are using here. This is my, I think we are using districts 5 and two values are there, then we are using 2 is equal to 10. You are use this also. Okay. Then we are going to some other real world examples like salary increasing in examples. Basically, we have a salary is a 5,000. Okay, salary is equal to 5,000. So this is a 5,000, and print salary is, we are using left is 1. So The output will be 1000. No, 10,000. This. Okay, the output will be 10,000 basically. Okay. So, this doesn't mean companies use bitwise operator for salary calculation. This example simply help us to understand the left shift by one position of the double value, and basically this is using for that. You can try by your own self also. Okay. Now we are going. Now we are moved to the right shift operator. Um, right shift operator symbol is this. The operator move every bit toward toward the right. When bits move to the right most bit is removed. For positive number, a zero is added to the two on the leftmost side, and this operator usually divided the number by two for every right shift. So we are using here a is equal to 8, print a right shift 1. Okay, so so a is equal to, what is a is equal to 8, so 8 we are here using, yeah, 8 is 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. Okay, this is 8. Okay, and now we will going to shift it here for left side. So we are using this arrow. First we are add a new 0 here. So this is a 0, and then we are using my older 0 added here also. So this is 0. Okay, and all of them are same. Then 0 0. Yeah, 0 0 0 0. Yeah, 0, and then 1 0 0. Yeah, so the result will be, the last bit is a disappear. A 0 comes from the left, so convert to the decimal is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 1 0 0 1 2 4. So the answer is 4. Now we will check here. Yeah, the answer is 4. And we are also use a formula like, but we are recommended you are using this. This is a very good process. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Nice to meet you. Bye bye.